This is a GE Profile 1200 watt microwave. It was built in 2004, and it's a built-in type, which means it sits in a pre-cut out hole in the cabinetry above the oven. And it utilizes these special mounting brackets here to secure into that hole, which are obviously made for this particular model of microwave. The other night that this appliance actually failed on me. I went to heat something up, put in the time, hit the start button, and nothing, just went completely dead. So I got out on the internet and checked out the wiring diagram, and I also checked out potential replacement microwaves, which I'll tell you, being 18 years old, the exact size and dimensions for the custom hole that are cut out was going to be a tough thing to find, not to mention most of the pricing I saw was upwards of $400, $500 to replace it of a equal quality and model. So taking apart the microwave, I figured possibly that it would be a easy fix, and in fact it was. So if you see here, the gray piece up here, this is where the main power from the outlet is actually coming into the unit. And it comes down into this printed circuit board here. And that gray cylindrical piece that is clipped into the printed circuit board is actually the 20 amp rated fuse. And this ended up being the solution to the issue. So I was able to go down to the local Home Depot and for $4 buy a 2-pack of these 20 amp, 125 or 250 volt rated fuses, replace it, and it appears to have solved the problem. So the lesson is a couple minutes of cracking open your appliance could save you several times over in dollars. Instead of going out and buying a new unit, replace this small little fuse here and you might be on your way.